Oi, freeze. Hold it right there, kid. Breaking into a police station? Even I know that's reckless. I don't know how she got past us.
You were napping.
Chicken pot pie day. There's your culprit, hey?
He's not wrong. Sneaks up on you. Actions have consequences, kid. There'll be no more TV.
Oh, if only someone hadn't stolen it months ago.
Well, then... you're grounded.
What? How am I going to look for Mum?
Commit a crime, get grounded. That's right, isn't it?
A bit rich coming from you.
Oh, okay. Go to your room.
There's a lead in Mum's case. Why won't you listen to me?
Yeah, about that. I thought we had this sorted. Ruby, you gotta quit it. That whole wall of insanity, all the leads, all the conspiracies, it's all coming down.
Stop pretending. It's not like you're planning on sticking around anyway.
Want us to look for your stolen TV? Nah, it's around here somewhere.